What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at a portable juicer cup. It's a portable personal blender, but it's also a cup at the same time. So you can go straight from blending right into a cup and take it with you, go to your workout, do whatever. It's also USB rechargeable, so you can take it with you wherever you go and you can charge it up as long as you got a USB port. It has a one-touch feature, but it also has an auto off feature. So after 20 seconds, it'll just shut off by itself either way. So I think this comes in 3 different colors. This is the white one. Won't come, there we go. Well, there's a part of it. Man, this thing is really in there, jeez. Okay, well I can feel it's not cheap. But it's $33 right now on Amazon. It's actually got a 5-star rating. Of course, there's only one customer review, so that one person really liked it, or at least the one person that left a review liked it. But there we go, real clean looking. Now it's made out of food grade glass, it's BPA free, and it is FDA approved. So that's good, but man, it's heavy. It's very,
I don't know about carrying that around.
No, I don't know about, I'm not sure about carrying this around. All right, so we've got a really interesting looking toothbrush. So I'm guessing this is to get inside of it and clean under the blades and everything, so that's convenient. And we've got a USB cable, about 1.5 feet long USB to micro USB cable for charging. And then user manual, meh. See if it has a charge. It does have a charge. Okay, I need the instructions. Turn it on, that gives you power, and then hold it down and that'll turn it on. And then it goes through this time down process. Right underneath that, you've got this little flap here with the USB port for charging. Okay, so on the top, you've got a little handle here so you can carry it. Take the top off, then you can take that off. Once you're done, you just grab the whole thing, put it upside down, take that off, put your bottom on, and now you've got a cup. Cool. Will it turn on? Let's see. No, it does have a safety feature. So I'm guessing that little dot right there is a safe. Stop it, you're making me nervous. I'm scared now. That little pressure point right there, that's the little safety switch. So if you don't have it screwed down all the way, it's not gonna turn on, so that's good. Oh, okay, so see, whenever I tighten it down all the way, the light comes on, so it lets you know that it's ready to go. For those who don't know, Jack Black has a YouTube channel called Jablinski Games. He pointed out that you know, when you're eating a strawberry, don't take the green off. It's actually really healthy for you. So we're not gonna take them off. We're gonna leave it in there. We're gonna add some blueberries, a few nits. You know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of water first, so we can get this moving a little bit. That worked really, oh, okay. I almost completely unscrewed the glass part from the base and that would have just made a huge mess. Hold it here, unscrew at the top. I'm glad I did not continue.
Said, oh.
All right, let's add, okay, just a half a banana. There we go. A little bit of hazelnut creamer and a little bit more water. Oh yeah.
It's pretty.
It's a good consistency. Let's try it out. Try it. See what you think. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and
ice.
It needs ice. You want to? Oh, we don't have ice. We don't have ice. You know, if you want to make it a lot more cold, throw some ice in there, get it all nice and crushed up. But you want to turn it into a cup. Pop that on the top. So there you go. You can just take that, throw it in the freezer for about an hour or so, make it real nice and chilled, and it'd be good to go. That was pretty quick. Very convenient.
It's very expensive.
It does. It actually, and it feels expensive too. But now let's make a, now let's go on to the dessert shake.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that. This one is all about the peanut butter and the banana. So you definitely want to get enough in there. And instead of water, we're using milk. There we go. I'm gonna need a little bit more milk. I'm gonna add just a little bit of vanilla extract. There we go. Add a little bit of cinnamon. And for sweetness, because bananas are not sweet enough, about a half tablespoon or so. Peanut butter. We're gonna do like 2 good heaping scoops.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Now this is for those people out there that are looking for a delicious protein snack. Maybe a after workout meal. I don't know what to do with this spoon with all this peanut butter on it. I might just throw it away.
No.
Looks like I did a pretty good job. It's still, let me see that spoon. Where'd the peanut butter go? So this is not a smoothie, this is a shake. See that creamy consistency? Well, it's pretty nice. Oh, that's terrible. You're not gonna like it.
That's good.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, you can't go wrong with peanut butter and banana.
Okay, that one's mine. This one's yours.
Yeah, right? Now, we've actually owned a Ninja blender for a long time. We've used it a lot. But this would be perfect for just a single use. You know, if you're just looking out for you and your own, if you're just looking out for yourself, you just want to make yourself a nice quick shake, this is a really good way to go about it. Actually, this is not bad. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah? I like it. You think it's worth $33?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. I think it's worth 33 bucks. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like a real sturdy, heavy blender.
It'll last.
Yeah, I think this one's gonna last. As long as the motor stays good. I mean, it didn't even get hot. Just the little bit that it ran. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get
Get
at
out
it.
of here.
Okay, well, I'm gonna drink this.
What? No.
Come on, you don't really want it.
Stop. Okay, that's enough.